Thank you.
Thank you. It's quite special because the last show you did,
Was
I was
with
the
you?
showstopper, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm happy to be back. I'm happy that the shows and everything have started again, and I'm happy to be wearing your new stuff.
New collection. No,
New collection,
me,
yeah.
me too, because it's really nice to do a live show after so long. To get the whole feel of fashion, you just see a film and you never feel it. But seeing people walk, story, theory, and most importantly, this is a fantastic story. The show today is about the times we live in.
Yeah.
So I hope
exciting.
it's exciting for
Yes.
everybody. Next question.
Okay, what are you looking forward to for the show?
Don't ask me more questions. No.
He's
Sorry.
gonna give
Go
it
ahead, go
away.
ahead.
He's gonna.
What?
What are you looking forward to?
Can I answer that?
Okay, go ahead.
So Nari always has a special idea for whatever show, whatever new collection he has, and it's so unpredictable. And now it's 2 books, right?
And now it's 2 books. The
It's
second
2
book is
books
missing.
He's kind of put together into a whole new collection, and that's what I love about him because it's so different than what other people do. So
Each one to themselves.
each one to themselves, but it's just so special. So I'm excited about that. I just want to know what you've done with these 2 books and a whole new collection.
So for me, it's really important. Clothes mean nothing without a story. Today, you want to wear a story, you want to tell a story, you want to tell a story before you walk into the place. You know,
Yeah.
this is what the world is about today. It's
Yeah.
not just about pretty and being dolled up,
Yeah.
but who you stand for and what it means to you. And so our fashion, our show is exactly about this. It talks about 2 books written in 1931 and 1949.
Wow.
The books are called The Brave New World and 1984 by George Orwell. It's a dystopian picture of what they perceived the world to be 100 years from where they were living. We are living it today.
Wow.
So this is the world that we are living in today. This show is about today. A lot of things that people don't see is what we do with our show.
Okay, talking about your collection, what will your collection be?
So the collection is sort of sporty, athleisure, Instagrammable, young people, and it's about young people today. You know, it's not about. Of course, it's not wedding wear. Definitely, it's not another Dulhania show.
Hey, I can wear this to wedding.
I know you can. You can wear anything. So it's not another Dulhania show, but this is really about clothes that you can wear every day and look cool. Go to the club, be seen, mix it with different things, tell a story. Like what she's wearing right now is graffiti from the 1980s in New York, and graffiti was a way of how people protested, told a
Express
story.
themselves,
So
yeah.
this is what we're doing with the show.
And unless if you would like to add on to this collection, like what would you like to say about this collection?
Well, as I said before, every collection is very special. Every collection has a story to it, a very profound story, which is like it has something to it which makes it very, very special. So I'm actually always excited about his new launches, his shows and everything. So I also don't know much yet. I'm going to be watching it, and then I'm going to know more, and I'm going to know as much as you then.
But when it comes to clothing, what kind of person you are? Like, what's your preference
In clothing, what you see what I'm wearing is so me. I love pantsuits. I love these crazy colors. He knew. Like, I was like, Nari, send me 2-3 options. And he just sent me this.
One.
And it was perfect. He knows me. So that's me. What you see here is me.
Okay, I have to run now
Yeah, the show
for
is
the
starting.
rehearsal. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.
First of all, ma'am,
Thank you so much.
my first question is that all the how do you feel walking on the ramp and so confident and
Thank you so much. I felt beautiful, and I think I would say that 50% of my work was done when I wore the outfit because it's a very stunning outfit. It's a very different color. Center? Okay. It's a very different color, so that's why I think half my work was done. So then I could just enjoy, feel the music, and walk the ramp. It was very, very comfortable. It also comes with a dupatta, which I did not wear, thanks to them. And I think that made me feel even more comfortable. But it was a beautiful moment, yeah. On normal days, you'd see me, like I said, in my cargo pants and all my shorts and a t-shirt.
You're wearing this every day?
Not maybe. That would be my workout for the day
I know.
if I wore this every day.
In and out and down.
Yeah.
So today's collection was fabulous, as we have seen. Tell us something about the collection and the show.
So the collection name is Era, which is basically a goddess of marriages. So the entire inspiration behind the collection was that we wanted to bring in something that was modern with a touch of a lot of tradition. So we included a lot of velvets this time, which is very traditionally very royal and something very palace, very sort of queen kind of thing. But then we've sort of dashed it up with a lot of very exclusive new colors and a lot of modern touch to it, modern silhouettes as well. So it's been a blend of modernity and like sort of tradition in that sense.
Right. Pooja, as you said that on normal days you usually wear such a casual wear, but when it comes to a wedding season or a festival season, what are your preference? Like, do you like lightweighted clothes which are elegant and beautiful, or do you like something which is heavy and which is
I mean, I think it depends on the occasion. I mean, if it's a very close event, then of course I would like dress up heavier. But normally I'm always the more simple, classic kind of person. Yeah, I will go more simple and classic.
Okay, but Kalki is something which is, very popular for
Yeah.
its design. So
Yeah.
when you came to that you are going to Kalki as a showstopper, have you had something in your mind regarding your dress like that?
Not something in particular, but I have seen the brand everywhere, on hoardings, and I've actually shopped at their store many times. So in fact, my cousin sister wore Kalki for her wedding, So yeah, so it's been like, it's something I know. It's a brand I know, and I was happy to be a part of the brand.
And what was your thought when you were designing this clothes for Pooja?
I mean, as I told you, like in terms of the collection, it's about that, and I think Pooja is really apt as the showstopper for that because I think she brings in so much elegance, and she's just so gorgeous, just in any way, and she's looking stunning when she's wearing this thing. So,
Thanks.
I mean, since it's like the goddess of marriages, I really think she just looks so stunning. It had to be her.
So Pooja, when you are a model as well as an actor, you work more as an actor, right?
Yeah.
But when you work as a model, how difficult it is for you to, change into a model and an actor? That change, how difficult or how easy it is for you?
I'm not only a model anymore, So I do like to bring a little bit of drama when I'm walking the ramp. So whether it's blowing a kiss or winking as I did on the ramp, I like to bring a little bit of drama in it, yeah.
Okay, I would also like to congratulate you for the most eligible batch.
Thank you so much.
It's getting a very good response.
I know.
Yeah, so it got a very huge
Yeah.
opening as well. Tell me,
Yeah.
what's your feeling right now, and what are the response which you are receiving from your fans?
Oh, my fans are very excited right now because I play a stand-up comedian in the film, and the girl has a very strong, powerful role, which is why people are calling me for my performance. A lot of people called me, a lot of producers, directors. They said that one is to have a glamorous person and one is to have a good performer. And after very long, we've seen someone come together, and I was like, are you gonna make me cry before I walk the ramp? Because while I was doing my hair and makeup, I got so many calls, and I'm just over the moon, with all the response that I've been getting. So I'm feeling blessed right now.
Yeah. Besides this, you have many more upcoming projects. Would
Yeah.
you like to share with us? Like, what's the status?
Many. I have Acharya, I have Radhesham in Telugu, I have a film with Mahesh Babu which is gonna start. I have in Tamil, I have Beast with Vijay Talapati, and in Hindi I have Circus and I have Bhaijan.
Right. And also the theaters are going to be open
Yeah.
very soon. So, like, for which films are you excited?
Surya Vanshi. I mean, I'm doing Rohit Sir's next film, and we have that Shetty connection. So I'm excited for the film. I think it's gonna, be such a breath of fresh air after the sad times we've had in COVID.
So I'm excited.
So Diwali bhi aa rahi hai. What are your plans this Diwali?
This Diwali, I just moved into my own house. So I'm hoping that I spend Diwali in my house, just decorate it, set it up. Very excited.
Okay, Rajni, पूछना है
Somebody wanted.
which is your like first after
This Most Eligible Bachelor is my first film that's released after COVID. Just before COVID, I had Ala Vaikuntapuramlu release, which was great because Buttabomma just went like everywhere. So it was exciting. It was, yeah. So and then after that, now Most Eligible, and I'm very happy it's doing well.
Okay, lastly one Diwali wish please.
Wish yours wishing everyone a happy Diwali.